guys, so today I have partnered up with Walmart and I'm going to show you guys some really beautiful holiday fashion. I'm obsessed. They have so many great things. I just got this little sweater. I actually sized up. I'm wearing those remember I got those little PJs, little teddy bear PJs? I have been living in them. I love them so much. They're so comfortable. I've washed them. They wash really nicely. Like they're just so soft and lovely. But I got this little sweater, which I think is so cute. It came like it was going to be cropped. I thought it was going to be cropped. So I sized up, I think I got a double XL because I wanted to make sure it wasn't cropped on me. And it's the perfect length because it comes just below my tummy. And then it's kind of like a big, like bulky, like knit sweater on the arm, but like not too bulky. And then it's got these like little gemmy floral buttons. They're actually so cute. I love the little neckline. I love this. Just wait until you see what I have it to pair off with. Cause you know, I'm business on the top and PJs on the bottom. And then this is the hat that I got last week. Remember I got the bow hat. So this is the one that has the little pearls. So it's just so cute. Remember I got this one as well. But look, I found little shoes that match this. Oh, it's so cute. So these are by Time and True. They are so soft and Sherpa-y and fluffy in the inside. And then they just have like that cute little like Sherpa detailing around the front. Like a little suede material, and then that is the bottom. So I just thought those were so cute. I'm obsessed. Just wait until you see these. Now I don't actually have anywhere to wear these, but I couldn't resist because they're honestly so cute. I've never seen anything like it, and for the price you really can't beat it. And I just thought if I ever do have somewhere to go, highly unlikely, but I mean, how could I say no? So these are faux fur heel from Scoop. They're so soft, like they're actually really, really soft. They're so cozy. Are they gonna be comfortable? Doubtful. I have not worn heels like this in so long, so I don't even know if my feet bend that way anymore. But I mean, if you like to wear heels and you're used to wearing heels like this, I just think these are so gorgeous for a Christmas party. I could not not get them, even though I know I'm not gonna wear them. I just love them. They're just so pretty, and I wanted to share them with you guys because what a cute and unique little festive holiday shoe. Next, I got this coat, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. It's like this faux fur collar, and then it's the double-breasted with the little buttons there. A really nice pea coat. What have I got on it? Bits of Christmas tree already? Goodness gracious. Oh, it fits so good. Wait, what size did I get? I don't remember what size I got. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, let's see if I can see it. My arms don't bend this way. Oh, I got a large. So the large fits me perfectly. And I can do it up with room, and it goes over my hips. Oh, that's gorge. It's got pockets, which I love. I love this faux fur. This looks really beautiful, especially with this beanie. I'm sorry, I love it. It's actually so cute, you guys. Next, I got this sweater, and I got it to go with this little skirt. I just like don't have a whole lot of dressy stuff anymore, you guys. I've gained weight, and so none of my cute clothes fit me anymore. I live in sweats. It's part of life, you know, it's just part of turning 40, I think. But anyway, I wanted to get some like cute little, like, you know, if I do get invited to a Christmas party with my friends, like last year, I did go to a Christmas party, and I want to make sure that I have something that I feel comfortable in and confident, that still like feels like I'm wearing sweats. So I got this. It's like this gorgeous little like sparkly sweater. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna try these on. Kind of like a little mock neck. I just think it's so cute. And then I got an extra large, which honestly I don't think I even needed to. I think I could have got a large, but I never know if they're gonna be cropped, and I need to cover my tum. And then just you wait until you see these. Again, I think I got an extra large. Yeah, I did. I cannot get over how cute this is. It's the cutest little deer sweater, and then it has this gorgeous, the material. It's like a knit sweater, but it's so incredibly soft, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see from like the camera. It is so soft. And this deer even has eyelashes. I mean, she is looking fab. And then it's got this really beautiful neckline, the really kind of like nice thick ribbed. Again, I got the extra large because I didn't know how long it was gonna be. It's just so cute. They have it in the teddy bear as well. I cannot get over how cute these are, but this is so cute. You could wear this with some cute little jeans. I got it to wear with some cute little like flowy skirts. I just think if you guys are looking for some cute little festive Christmas sweaters that aren't like typical, like this to me is Christmassy, but if you're looking for like a cute little winter sweater that's not necessarily Christmas, those are perfect. I got this skirt to go along with them. It's like this gorgeous long flowy maxi skirt. I got a large. It's like all like ruffly. And it's got like little sparkles as well. So I'm very excited, and this is full length, so it's a maxi skirt. This is amazing. If you guys are a mid-sized girly like I am, and you're looking for a gorgeous coat that it just looks so good, you guys. I thought it was gonna make me look massive because it's quite like, you know, it's giving Big Bird, like it's quite feathery, but it looks so good on. It's honestly so beautiful. I mean, look at the texture of this, the way it shakes. I got an extra large in this, and I could have got a large. Oh. Look at that. Look at the way it shakes. So I thought if I had that little sweater over or under, and then my cute little skirt, I feel like that is just gonna be, I feel like a little shimmy shimmy. It's just so fab. It's so soft. I was afraid it was gonna be like itchy, but it's basically faux fur with little strips of like feathery type things. So it's incredibly soft, no stabby bits, no pokey bits. I got an extra large. I definitely could have got a large with this, so you're safe to get your true size. And then this is the skirt that I got to go with the brown sweater and the black coat. I got this one to go with the red as well. So I've got 4 different holiday outfits with just a few pieces, and it's really pretty. So let's put them all on so you guys can see them in action. I think you guys are gonna love these. And again, if you're a mid-size, these are just so comfortable. You feel confident in them. Like it's not like you're feeling like you're shoving yourself into these tight pants. Like I'm all about the loose flowy life right now. And these I feel like fit that so well, but still keep you feeling like you put some effort in. So let's put them on so you guys can see them in action. I think you guys are gonna love them. Look how cute this one is, you guys. I am obsessed with these sweaters. Oh my God, you absolutely need them. So glad I got the extra large. It's kind of drapey and flowy. This little teddy bear. I'm so obsessed. And then this is the other skirt, you guys. Flowy, again, sparkly, so cute. I paired it off with those cute little Sherpa burgundy slides. I think those are super cute. It just kind of keeps it a little bit more casual and kind of like cozy, but it's casual, cozy, it's so cute. This is so soft, not itchy at all. I don't like itchy sweaters. This one is incredibly soft and cozy. Little sleeves. I love the rib detailing on the neck as well. The teddy bear is gorge. I mean, this is so cute, you guys. I am obsessed. I paired off that little red sweater with this little black skirt, and you guys, this fits perfectly. It's so comfortable, flows really nicely. All I need is some little heels, and it's the perfect length. So glad I sized up on this because it doesn't feel too big on the arms or anything. Like it's just kind of like nice and flowy, but it's a nice length. The buttons are so cute. I love the sleeve. I think it's gorgeous. Okay guys, here it is with that coat. So see how pretty that is? If you just need something like nice and cozy and like festive to throw on over this, I feel like it's really pretty. The black and the black matches really nice. Love the length of this. The pockets are so nice, and I just love that little faux fur bit. I just think it's so cute and so cozy. Here is that sweater. It is so soft. I was afraid it was gonna be itchy. I'm so weird about like itchy sweaters. I used to have a meltdown when I was a kid. If anything was itchy, I would not wear it. I just cry and have a meltdown. I'm still the same way. Like if it's itchy, I'm not putting it on my body. So I was afraid this was gonna be itchy because of all the sparkles. It's so soft. It's literally so comfortable. I love that mock neck. I feel like that's actually super cute. And then it looks so cute with this skirt. Like this is exactly what I would totally wear this for Christmas. If I had like a little Christmas party to go to with my friends, or anything where I felt like I needed to get kind of like a little dressed up, but like still be really comfortable. This is the one, and it's so comfy, guys. Like the skirt is so good, swishes perfectly, very flattering on the tummy. And then I'm just, this with jeans, this with leggings, this with black pants, this with this black skirt. You need this. Like this is so good, and it comes in another color as well. I'm immediately gonna order that because that is just like, oh, it's so comfortable, you guys. I love that little sleeve, the way it shakes. It's so cute. Here's the deer sweater. It's literally so cute, you guys. I have it paired off with that same skirt. This time I paired it off with those cute little faux fur. I mean, the heels, aren't they so cute? They're actually, they're not as terrible as I thought they would be comfort-wise. I'm just not used to walking in heels, but they actually are quite padded. Like they're not too bad. Very cute. And they look really cute, like paired off with this. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. They're so soft. Again, rib detailing on the wrist and again on the neckline as well. I love the way this flows. Let me show you with the little coat put over, because I think that just makes the whole look like so festive, so cute and cozy. With this over the top with the little faux fur heels, I just think it's so cute, so cozy. It's like, I love the little pop of pink with the deer, and then this like super fancy little feathery jacket. This is my favorite. Like, this is absolutely my favorite. I just feel like the whole thing is just so fun and so cute and so festive and so cozy. This is a winner. You absolutely need this. Like, this looks so high end, you guys. You would never ever think that it was the price that it was, because it feels and looks so expensive. There's another outfit option. So I've just paired it off with that same little like beige sparkly skirt, kept on those little faux fur heels, and then I just added this sweater. So gorgeous, you guys. It's so cozy, so flowy. I love the little sparkles. I just feel like this is like so fun and festive, but it feels a little bit more kind of like nighttime. And like, I definitely need to get this cream one, because basically they have this one in this color. So I definitely need to get that one, because I just feel like I'll wear this all winter, even if I'm not going anywhere special, because it's that comfy. It's so soft, and I feel like it looks put together. I think it's gonna look really cute with a pair of jeans. It even looks cute with this red one as well. So if you guys wanted to go for this one to match with more stuff, you could just not get the black, get this one, pair it off with that little red sweater, keep it with those little faux fur heels. I feel like that's still really, really cute. So my dad's coming today for his birthday. We're gonna go to like an early dinner. He's very casual. We're doing his Texas steakhouse, his favorite. So this is gonna be my outfit, just some cute little barrel jeans. These are my favorite. They're a little bit too big for me. Unfortunately, I need a large. I got an extra large. I'm just trying to figure out my sizing still. Some cute little platform booties, and then this sweater, and then a beanie that kind of like matches the same tone. So this will be my dad's birthday dinner. Very casual, very comfortable. I recommend this sweater so much though, you guys. You're gonna love it. It's literally so cozy, so comfortable, and so cute, and I love the sparkles. Okay guys, there's my Walmart try on for the holiday fashion. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which was your favorite in the description box. Thank you to Walmart for partnering up with me for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.